Welcome to Copenhagen Nanosystems, a science and technology blend. I'm Emil and I'll be your guide today on this behind-the-scenes video of our Copenhagen studio. This studio is at the core of operations, encapsulating our innovative spirit and our dedication to analysis of micro and nano particles. You might wonder, why a studio? For us, communication is as important as technology. With this studio, we can, of course, showcase our advancements, but we can also collaborate very efficiently in real time with people around the world. For instance, I can switch between scenes. I can switch to this view showing how to take one of our cuvettes for particle size analysis and put it into a spectrophotometer. Or I can switch to this view, showcasing our software and our digital solutions. Two-way communication is vital for us. That's why we incorporated audio and visual feedback to make our interactions as natural as possible. Our studio isn't just a place we broadcast from. It's a bridge connecting us to you, our community, sharing insights and creating dialogues about the future of micro and nano particle analysis. It is all about efficiency and precision with our user-friendly products, making advanced analysis accessible to everyone. Thanks for taking a peek behind the curtain. Stay connected with us and dive deeper into our technology by following us on social media.